Today I'm going to be reviewing Missfly Aromatherapy Diffuser Humidifier. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like here. Now it's not going to be balanced, so when I turn it on, it may not look perfect. Really cool. You can adjust the light on here. You can have it spin around if you want, or just have the air. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. So you can see right there, you can see it pouring out. There's a max fill line, so you can fill it up. You can put some drops of smells in there to help out. You can change the light. It changes the light like this. You can see here. If it's not filled with water, it will actually auto stop. Now it turns. Now, because I'm not balanced, these aren't dripping perfectly. But it spins around, gives you a nice look. You've got the lights. Really pretty cool and very easy to use. This does pretty good on Amazon. It gets 4.3 stars, and last month 700 plus of these were bought. It's a really good deal. Take a look, especially now during the holidays. And if you're looking for an aromatherapy diffuser, this might just be the one for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.